Yes. So hi everyone. We are from the Jet2Holidays team. So in this presentation, we have me, Khang, Khôi, and Đức will join this presentation to introduce the Jet2Holiday bookstore website. So imagine that you want to buy a book online. You start looking for a website that is simple to use. That is just requires some simple steps to buy book. But the difficult thing is that some of the websites nowadays is so complex. It requires many steps and contains a lot of buttons. So that's the reason for us to introduce a new website just to highlight bookstore. So what is this website about? So just to holiday bookstore is an online bookstore that allows customers, especially students and lecturers in university, to buy book, browse, and buy book online in just a few steps. So it for that it brings simple and smooth experiences to them. And to build the website, we implement some tech stacks. So for building the UI, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also the template engine EJS to build the user interface. And for the backend, we implement a Node.js and Express.js to handle logic and interact with the database. And for the database, we implement MongoDB to store any data in the website. And these are some main features of the website that we have. So for shopping, the user can browse and add books to cart and complete the order by and make the online payment via the QR code. And for the review, they can write and share their reviews for the books that they have purchased. And also they edit and delete the user rating and comments. And for the discussion, the user can create a new discussion thread to share their engagement and knowledge. Also, all the user can come and interact with this thread by adding any comments or replies. Also, when the user can also edit and delete their own threads and replies. So that's the overview of the our website. And now we move on to the demonstration part where we introduce how to use the website step by step. And this is our website. So when the user visit our website, they will see the homepage like that. So the homepage is to summarize the primary feature of the website. So here you can see that there's some three main sections. That is bestseller, new in books, and discussion. So here, when the user click see more, they can navigate see some of the books that is in the bestseller category. And also for new in, when they click see more, they can also see the book is in the new in. And the similar thing is for discussion that they want to see it. So, however, before we can make any orders of the book, we need to sign first. So here we have two ways to sign. So the first one is using the sign directly with Google or create a new account. So here I will use Google log into sign. So I can use my account here to sign. Yes, and and now we move on to the shopping cart, which is also the main of the website. So here at first, the user can see this is the list of the books available at the Jet2Holiday bookstore. And on the left side is for the filter function where the user can filter by price, rating, and category to select the specific books. For example, if I click on any box here, it will filter the product as they want. Yes, and also they can sort by A to Z, Z to A, and price ascending, descending, or rating ascending, descending. And if they want to search for a book, they can also use the search bar and just search for a specific name. For example, I want to search for the 101 essay. I just type 101 essay here and enter. It will get to the specific book here. And now to make an order, they go to the detail way of this book. They choose the quantity and add to cart. And add to cart, it will navigate to the cart page here, and now we need to proceed to checkout. And here we enter any shipping information, address, and choose the payment method. And then we complete the order. For anyone who use the payment method, that is VNPay QR code, when we complete, it will show the QR code here to pay. And after paying, they can get back to the order section to see the order they can pay here. And if they missed the payment, they can go to the payment now to pay again. And after payment, they need to pay for admin in order to confirm the order. So that is the shopping function. And now we move on to the review rating. And I will let this session to Khôi to present this part.
So next up is the review and rating section. And back to home. So once you choose a product, you can see the review and rating section down here. There are two parts. The first is the review, and the second is the comment. For the review part, you will see the summary of every post that has been posted before and the average rating star to the product. To the comment section, there have been 5 comments, so it is listed over here, but the space is limited, so there will be only 3 initial comment at first. So if you want to see more, you will have to click to the view more over here. So once you click to the view more, it will go to another page. Down here is the review, as you can see at the start, and below is the first part is your review, which is the place where your post has already posted by you, not by the other users. Down here is the other review section, which has the other 3 comments. So in total is 5. And for this part, you can sort the comment based on the latest update, which is for Jason Park over here is 2 days ago, or the oldest. It will lead to Alex Morgan to the top comment, which is 8 days ago. Or you can choose most positive, which is Alex Morgan as well, because he rate 5 out of 5 for the product, or most negative, which is 4 out of 5 for Rachel Lee or Jason Park. And furthermore, you can also sort or search the command, which is what you are looking for by typing in the search bar over here. Example, if you are looking for Alex Morgan review post, you can type Alex in here. So there will be one review match with the Alex that you have already typed in. Or you can type in the word in the content part, like inspiring and practical. So you can choose inspiring, which will also lead to this comment because and back if you press rate your experience, you will have your add your review form. In here you will rate your product, write your title, write your comment, and also you can add image to the comment post, like this example for this one. So I will post it up. So now the review has been uploaded, and this is the newest review post. If you find it doesn't match what you have found, you can edit it, and you will have this form again. You can rate again, you can write your title again, and upload a new image like this. You will save change over here, and your comment part will appear at the lowest part of the your review section. In case you don't want this review to appear here anymore, you can press delete in here. That's how you delete your review. And that's for the review and comment section. The next part is to edit your profile. Once you put into it, there's a my account. When you can change avatar, you can change your password and edit information, which you can change your username or description. Yeah. So the description over here is going to be. Or you can delete your account if you don't want this account to be used anymore. And of course, there will be a password changing methods. The changing password, I will have to change to localhost because the renderer has prevent us to use SMTP. So I cannot present it over here. So I will change it to localhost. So my account. To change the password, I will have to type in my email. By this, I will send the resend link. When you receive this notification, you will go to your email and you will see this over here. You can see it's this 6-digit OTP, and you will have to type it in the section over here. The OTP is 70404. And now you can have your you can type in your new password. They will need at least 8 characters, include uppercase. And now the password has already received successfully. Or this can be helpful for you if you log out or if you haven't signed in for a long time and you forget your password. You can also use this method to access your email address. Now let's move on to the discussion module for Duke to present it.
Thank you, Corey. So now let's move on to the discussion part. So let's come back to render.com. So here is our discussion forum.
So as you can see in our forum, we have 8 main communities forum. So now in discussion forum, as everyone can see, we have a search bar here, as we can search for the topic or the discussion in the forum. So I will demonstrate later, demo it later. Now we click into the general discussion. The page will render to all the threads of the general discussions. As you can see in this page, there's a sort by and filter for you filter in the filter you can filter for the communities that you want to discuss, like, and we'll also have filter that can help the user to search for the recent posts or the old posts. And for example, let me then demo it for you. Like, we will go to the book reviews and recommendations, and maybe we want to choose the old post of it. We will click choose it, and then we will filter. As you can see, it will guide us to the book and review recommendations, and we will give us the audit post. As you can see here, is the timeline in each thread. So now let's go back to the general discussion. So in this page, you can also start a new discussions. So now to start a new discussions, you have to type a title and you have to type the content. So I will type a title, like, for example, like hello. Okay, we can also choose file because we use Client server for it to upload the file. So maybe I will choose a random file like this, for example, and we will click post discussions. Wait for it. It is rendering. Yeah, it has create new discussion for us. So in this discussions, we can like the post. It will appear the new like here, and also we can have a reply for it. We can reply like hi, and we can choose the file like this one. Post the reply. Yeah, as you can see, and we can have a nested reply to reply the reply of the user before. For example, like this. Yeah, as you can see, everything's was fine. Now we can also edit the threads. For example, like, I don't want to say hello everyone, I want to say hi guys. I've saved the change. Just, yeah, it changes. And also the features work well to order, like for the reply and nested reply like this. And we can also, yeah. So we use the breadcrumb for the user to easily to navigate in this discussion forum. And in the page, as you can see, we also have a search bar, right? So now I will demonstrate. I will demo it for you. Like, I want to search for the book recommendations. I will type in like book recommendations. Oh, sorry. I will just type the book. Yeah. So that's the searching bar. And now we will, as you can see, we also have the filter here to show our discussion only, like this. And in this threads, we can also see the total viewers of the page. Each of the reload, it will count the page viewer, the like of the page, and the total comments in it. So here, also in the account, you can see our discussion here too. So now let's move on to the admin account. So now let's use admin account. As you can see, here is the email of the admin account and the password is admin. It will render us to this one, as you can see, admin account. If I use the normal account to access the admin account, it will access denied. For example, like I log out and maybe I sign into account again. I will put the URL of the admin. It will show us that the access denied because only the admin can allow to access this page. So let's go back. Let's sign in again to use admin account. So as you can see, admin account is just like a user normal account, but it have another feature of the admin that is called admin panel. In this admin panel, they are like a dog. It can control of the page doing. Like, for example, about first feature of it is book management. What is about book management? They can add a new book and they can also delete the book. For example, I want to add a new book. I will choose a file like add a book. Yeah, book added successfully. You can find it down here. Now is the new book. And also you can delete the book. You can delete the book. Yeah, it will delete forever. So now let's move on to account management. Here's the account management. As you can see, the admin can deactivate account, and they can delete the user account. If the user get banned or something, like they do something harmful to the website, we will deactivate one of the account, like a fake admin, right? We will deactivate it. Easy deactivated. We log out and we will sign up to that account. Your account has been deactivated, as you can see. So now let's go back to admin to demonstrate the delete account. So we will go back to activate that account, and then we will delete that account again. Click admin, activate it, confirm. And now we will go back to see whether it's activated or not. Yeah, we have activated account, and now the user can go to that account again. Now we will log out. Now we will delete it. Like you can see, delete the user. We delete the account. And now the system cannot find it again. Like I will say, it's a user not found, which means like you have deleted forever. So now let's move on to the order management. I will let Kang do this part.
So in the order management section in the admin panel, this is the place where the admin will manage any orders from the customer. So here it will display the list of the order that the customer has made. So come to the previous order. This is the order that I have made in in the Kang account, this is the user account. So it will appear on the order management and for the admin to manage. And in order to confirm the order, only the admin can do that. So in order to confirm the order, we just click on this and confirm it, whether it is paid to fail. Well, for example, I want to do paid here and then I confirm. Then yes, and now it changed status to paid. And in order to check whether it has changed in the Kang account or not, I will log out and come back to the Kang account to check that. Yes, and come back to my order. So here the status has been changed to paid. Yes, and this is just the order management of the admin, and I think now I will go to the and I think go to the photo management. I will leave this section too. So the last one of the admin panel is the photo management. So as you can see here, yes, it will list out all the threads of the discussion forum and of the reply of each thread and message reply. And finally, you will have archive, which means you will archive the post. The purpose of it, like the admin want to archive post, like they don't want the user to see it in the public view, and they just want to reserve the post, and they will maybe use for the later purpose of it. So now I will demo the thread archive first. Now I will archive it. Let's confirm the archive. We have archived it and it will appear in this hi guys archive. And if we click into the book, it will not appear because we have archived it, and everything you can see here, it cannot see anymore. Even all the user, they cannot see the archived post again. And also it's work for the replies. So I will pick randomly, like maybe for the hello post here, I will archive it. I will like hello. Oh, maybe I have archived this. So maybe love the new forum feature. This one, yeah, you see. I will archive the creed. Here's you can see the creed of the Brian Wilson. We will archive it. We have archived it. Now let's reload the page. As you can see, there's no more the comment of Brian Wilson anymore because we have archived his reply. So in here we can search for the thread we need it. Like I will search for the hello thread. So that is the end of the admin panel. And also in our web page we have the sitemap with where it will contain all the link in our website. So it will increase the user experience for them to go to direct to the URL that they need. Here's all the link as you can. So that's the end of our presentations. Thank you for listening.